We are here at 286. There's no one else here. We're gonna get dumplings and rice. This is how the place looks like. Look! Someone reserved this for us. Did you order already? What did we get? Okay, we'll wait and see, okay? Are we hungry? What did we get here at 286? We got the scallions pancake for 35, egg fried rice for 60, and 10 pieces of dumplings, all for 185 NT. Can we finish that? Okay, let's eat.